Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Spotify tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to remove devices from Spotify, or more like how to sign out everywhere from Spotify. This is actually quite simple. To do this I first open Spotify, and to find the appropriate settings I click on my profile picture and go to account. Once on my account I scroll down to the very bottom and find the sign out everywhere option here. Now we have to click the button, and I can use it to log out from all devices. And this way you can remove all devices from Spotify. Unfortunately, there's currently no function with which I can only remove individual devices. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.